Hi, welcome to the Product Design Show. I'm Allison. Consumers in the Western world have fairly similar expectations when it comes to a product's look, feel, and function.
But designing for customers in foreign markets creates a unique set of engineering challenges. In today's episode, we'll show you how companies deliver their brands to emerging markets. I'm Vince Penman.
In the past 10 years, China has experienced explosive economic growth. As over 1 billion people move into the middle class, one thing rings true. People around the world want the same brands we do.
But the needs of these new consumers typically have to be met at a price point well below the existing market. So designers have to focus in on the core product functionality.
In some cases, this can mean paring down the features of a product to reduce the overall cost of manufacturing.
Take cell phones, for example. UNICEF says there are 1.5 billion more people in the world who have access to a cell phone than have access to working toilets.
Western smartphones are more than just phones. They're mobile computers, gaming systems, and digital shopping malls all in one.
To meet this need, Zhenru Communications in China is reportedly making smartphones that retail for $65. To be price competitive in this market, top-brand smartphone companies like Apple and Samsung might have to change their features by offering things like a lower resolution camera or screen.
Or it could mean dramatically redesigning its devices, replacing all of its high-end components and blazing fast chipset. But paring down a sophisticated design isn't easy.
With circuits and processors packed into every corner of these devices, even simple adjustments can turn the redesign into a lengthy experience.
Using a CAD tool that includes flexible modeling functionality can make the job of redesigning a cell phone for new markets a much simpler exercise. These CAD tools let designers borrow constraints and relationships from previously assembled models so that new motherboards, chips, screens, and cameras can be refit into an existing design.
If more dramatic changes are required, a flexible modeling environment allows designers to change models without worrying about previously built-in constraints and relationships.
But redesigning products for foreign markets isn't just about consumer electronics. Car companies like GM are looking to capture a share of these expanding markets by changing their products too.
Now you might think that adapting to a global market means making a car that's more economical or compact. However, in China, redesigning a car is about luxury too.
To adapt its Buick GL8 model to fit the Chinese consumers' demand for luxury, this family van was converted into an executive van, featuring a complete overhaul of the vehicle's interior and exterior styling.
A more formal interior featuring leather seats and plush carpets make passengers feel like they are in the lap of luxury. On its exterior, the GL8's redesigned aerodynamics make sure it's seen wherever it arrives.
Emerging markets present the fastest growing markets for Western products, and that means designers will increasingly have to design for these consumers. Having the right design technology in place can help your team develop winning international products.
This episode is sponsored by PTC. To learn more about PTC Creo's flexible modeling extension, visit ptc.com/product/creo/flexible modeling extension.
And thanks for watching this episode of the Product Design Show. Please give it a like on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, or give us a rating on iTunes.